Hello everyone, my name is Jay and welcome to my channel.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
With you.
So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. I know I've been missing in action. I've been gone for probably about a year now. And I found YouTube very challenging to keep up with. I have a newfound respect for all of the YouTubers that put out so much content, videos. It is a lot of work. And then I found that the videos that I had that did the best were the hauls. And I am just a regular person. I work a regular job. I cannot afford to keep up with the hauls. And so I'm going to come on here from time to time and just show you guys what I'm wearing for the day. I tend to buy very classic pieces that can last me a long time. I have blazers in my closet that I have worn or have been in my closet for at least 10, if not 15 years that I continue to wear. So if you guys are okay with that, if you guys are okay with seeing different ways in which I put my clothes together, I wear them over and over again to the point where sometimes I wear the lining out of them. But that's how much wear I get out of them. If you guys are okay with seeing that, then please like, subscribe, and I'll be putting content out like that. But I thank you guys for joining me today. A little house cleaning, a little what I'm wearing for the day, and may you guys have a fantabulous weekend and day. So today's look, I'm going to keep it very casual. I just decided to throw on some khaki colored shorts from Ann Taylor. I paired it with a belt. I think I ordered the belt off of Google. I was just looking for a simple leather belt, a thin leather belt. And I believe it came from J.Crew and it was discounted, which was great. And then the t-shirt that I have on is from Amazon. Amazon has really nice tanks, t-shirt tanks for really inexpensive. I believe it was like $10 or something. And then the linen shirt that I have on is from Zara. The shoes that I have on are from J.Crew. I got them on sale. I'm sorry, not J.Crew, Banana Republic. I got them on sale because, as you guys know, Banana Republic is really getting pricey and expensive. And so I picked them up from there on sale. I was so happy to get them. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the belt to match, but I was looking for the belt as well. Then I decided to pair it with my Tory Burch bag and my Tory Burch sunnies. And here is going to be the completed look.